Our 28-inch open-air display refrigerated display case. First off, the overall dimensions. We have 28 inches in length, 27 3/4 in depth, height with legs. We're looking at a total of 79 inches tall. Without the legs, we have at least 77 inches. Dimensions for each shelf will be at least 14 inches in depth, length at least 24 3/4 inches. A total of 4 adjustable shelves. Each shelf can be lowered or heightened and can be adjusted with the frame in the back. Just remove, hook up to the desired height and level you want it to be. For the interior dimensions, overall length, total of 25.5 inches, and the height, we have at least 55 inches. Beneath are your on and off and light switches along with the temperature controller. Pulled out curtain that will latch beneath the tab. Makes it convenient to show and to cover your products being displayed. Located beneath each shelf will be LED strips. So a total of 4 of them per shelf. Coming back here is your sticker diagram with technical information along with the ETL NSF certification. Coming here will be your 110-115 voltage connection. Our 28-inch commercial open-air display refrigerated display case. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.